Every single day before I knew your name, I couldn't see your face, but I prayed for you. Every heartbreak trail when all hope failed, on a highway to hell I prayed for you. I kept my faith like that old King James said I'm supposed to. It's hard to imagine bigger than I could fathom. Didn't know you from Adam, but I prayed for you. Hey guys, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and I want to teach you how to play Prayed For You by Matt Stell on the guitar today. So this song is awesome. It's 4 chords in a row, and they are the same the entire song. They never change order. So let's get into it. Standard tuning, you're going to put a capo on the 2nd fret. You can see that right there. And then the chords that you're going to use, and these will be in the description as well. It's going to be C, okay, G. And the way that I'm playing G here is because it's a very easy transition to go from this C, like that, so like that, to G. So G you can play 2 ways. You can play it with your pinky on the 3rd fret on the E string, and then your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, and then your middle finger you put on the 3rd fret on the big E string, and then you put your pointer finger right there on the 2nd fret on the A string. So you would play it like that. You can play it either way, but it's easier to transition from G to C if you do it like this. So you would leave your pinky, same spot, okay? So the pinky goes on the 3rd fret on the little E string, and you put your ring finger, so like that. You put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the big E string, and then you put your middle finger like that on the 2nd fret on the A string. So it goes like that. So you go, so it would be C, G. So you see how much easier that is to transition? So the song goes C, G, E minor, D. That's the entire order of the chords in the song. So the way that you'll play the verses, you're going to play it like softer and slower and a little bit less strumming. So it's going to be, I've never been one to ask for help. And you hear that when you go from E minor to D, it's a count shorter, so it's down. So it's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So that's the strumming pattern. It'll be a little bit quicker from the E minor to the D. Okay, so it's I've never been one to ask for help. See, if I had a mountain G to move, I'd move it myself. E minor, D. I ain't the C church view regular G choir twice on Sunday. E minor, quote you the scripture kind. D. I'm far from a preacher. C, G. I'm a believer, so it's when I'm a believer. Believer is E minor, and then D, and then it goes. It's the same chord progression. It's just every single day before I knew your name, I couldn't see your face, but I prayed for you. Every heartbreak trail when all hope fell, on a highway to hell, I prayed for you. So you see, that's the same exact chords every time. You can actually play the exact same strumming pattern that you play in the verses in the chorus. I would just recommend at least playing it softer in the verses and louder in the choruses. In the choruses. So let's say you were to play the verse like, I've never been one to ask for help. Need a mountain move myself. I ain't the church pew regular twice on Sunday. Quote you the scripture kind. Far from a preacher, but I'm a believer. And then you'll want to go louder. So that's the verse. Every single day before I knew your name, I couldn't see your face, but I prayed for you. Every heartbreak finger trail on a high, when all hope fell, on a highway to hell, I prayed for you. So you see that? It's the same chord progression. You can play like faster if you want, like more strums in there, but like basically just playing it so a little bit like faster and harder, like that. So that's how you play. And when you come to the bridge, it's still the same chords. When it's just kind of like there's no lyrics or anything right there. It's just that's how it goes. So during the verses, there's a lot of different ways you can strum it if you want. It's going to depend on your skill level a little bit, but you could totally just do I've never been, so you could actually play it straight down almost the whole time. I've never been one to ask for help. That amount to move myself. See, I'm doing that whole thing just straight up down, down, down. So it's down, 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 down. Can you see? Can you hear and see when I'm switching the chords like that? So C, down, 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 G. Down, down, D minor, down, 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 D, down, down. Cause every single day before I knew your name, I couldn't see your face, but I prayed for you. So that's an easy way to play it if strumming is really hard for you. I know when I was first strumming, I was like, man, it's so hard to go up and down, and stuff. So that's like, I think, the more of the strumming pattern that it will go with. But if you're new, you can totally just do the down. But otherwise you can go down, 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 down. And that's probably the way I would play it when you go from the chorus to the back to the verses is have that weight, that break right there where it's down. And you don't strum right there, you just kind of leave it, and then you go down, down, up, down. That's right. Down, down, up, down. Yeah, that's right. Down, down, up, down. See that? So that's the whole song. Again, you don't need to do all the different strumming patterns. You can just kind of do one or two. It'll still sound really great. But that's how you play it. So that's, again, how you play Prayed For You by Matt Stell. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and if there's any other songs you'd like me to play next time, or to teach you next time. Thanks.